Hey y'all, this is Joyce from This Is That Creations. I'm going to show with you a thrift haul today, some of the items I got. And I thought I'd do something a little fun. After the video, you'll have a short video of something I used from this thrift haul to flip around. So let me go ahead and start showing you. All right, I got this box for $1. It says $2, but it was a half off, so I got it for $1. I know it looks a little worn, but I see the beauty in it. I got these picture frames, wood. Well, you love that. Could change it around to anything. 50 cents, not $1. 3 of them. I love this. Got this little bread box for 99 cents. Wood. So we have endless possibilities with that, right? Excuse me. And I got this enamelware for $1. I love this enamelware. I have yellow. I love the orange. I have a problem. Every time I see it, I pick it up. I just love them. And of course, I picked this up for 99 cents at the Goodwill. I love using these breadboards, cutting boards, whatever you want to call them. All different ideas, right? Then I got this little box here. Let me see. $1.99. But what a cute shadow box. Isn't that cute? All different kind of ideas we can put inside this box and paint and love it. I got this, also got this for 99 cents at the Goodwill, metal box. It's got the natural look already going on, but I will change it up. And then guys, Cricut vinyl for, it says $2.50, but I got it half off, so $1.25 for a whole roll of vinyl. Oh yeah, brand new, definitely. I got this box for $1 as well. Could do it this way. Can make it a riser this way. Have to see what I do with it. Then I also got this little planter. I love the planter already, but I love the greenery. Pick up the greenery when you can. This was 99 cents at the Goodwill. But I got 2 for 1. I got a pot and some greenery. Or you could just leave it like this because it's cute. Then my favorite, let me get organized. Sorry, my dog's again barking. Real life. $2.99. This like 70s vintage spice rack. Has all the containers in it already. Look how cute. I cannot wait to do this. $2.99. What? And then I also got, let me move some of this stuff over. Hopefully my stuff don't fall. Did you see that? This huge picture. Normally at Kirkland's for $59.99. Then on clearance for $39.95. Then I got it at the Goodwill for $4.99. But we're going to change it around. It's pretty and all. Just not my thing. But I do love the details right here on the side. That's what caught my eye, right? With all the beads and stuff being in. So I did not take you on a video to my thrift stores because they've just been not so good lately. I'm not going to lie. I'm in a small rural town. But I wanted to show you what I got. And I thought to add a fun twist to it. At the end of this video, stay tuned. There will be a short video on one of these flips that I do. Thank you. Have a good day.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin. Today and not tomorrow. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good